Hybrid vehicles combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor and battery pack, all working together to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. While these systems are built to last, it's important to monitor and maintain them as your vehicle ages. The hybrid battery, which stores and supplies power to the electric motor, should be professionally inspected on a regular basis to ensure that it's holding power efficiently and there are no signs of degradation. Additionally, while electric motors require less upkeep than gasoline engines, it's still important to check for any wear or malfunctions. Finally, the gasoline engine in a hybrid vehicle requires regular maintenance, such as oil changes and spark plug inspections, just like a traditional gasoline vehicle. Keeping all these systems well maintained will help maximize your hybrid's fuel efficiency, battery life, and overall performance. Whether your vehicle's next service is coming up or you're unsure of the last one it had, schedule your appointment with the experts at A1 Toyota. It's the right thing to do.